Hey guys, it's Mitch. I'm one of the CNC technicians here at the Fab Lab. In this video series, I'm going to explain to you our new Roland 4-axis CNC router. The video series is going to cover what separates it from the 3-axis, being the main A-axis here, which rotates the material 360 degrees, our new submission template, which you'll have to put your files in and then submit to us so we can process them, how we process your jobs and simulate them, and then part of the milling process so you have an understanding of the final product from your 3D model. I hope you learn a lot from this video series because we've put a lot of time and effort and we look forward to cutting your jobs. Thank you. Bye.
Our Roland 4-axis CNC router is a little bit different from the 3-axis CNC router. As you can see here, the material stock is much smaller, but what really separates it is the axes that it moves in. See here, you can look at the x-axis moving. The y-axis now is moving, and just after here is the z-axis. The really important and kind of amazing thing about the Roland is the fact that it also has a further 8-axis. This is the 4th axis, which is unique to this machine over our multicam. And this is how we're able to mill multiple sides of a stock material to produce complicated and interesting CNC models. The 4-axis CNC uses a variety of drill bits, and our main workhorse is a 6mm flat mill. This is a very small drill bit compared to our 3-axis, but for the size of material that we are milling, this is actually quite adequate. After that, we have a range of smaller drill bits from 3, 4, 2mm flat mills, as well as ball noses, to get a variety of different surface finishes, as well as giving us good control over different materials and versatility for different models that are going to be submitted to the Fab Lab. If you look here, you can see me setting up the 4-axis CNC with the material in place. On the left hand side is the chuck, which is the A-axis. This holds the material in place with a clamp that we screw in. On the right hand side we have the center pin. This will hold the material square and stiff on the other side. Bear in mind this is not a clamp, so it does get a little bit loose as we mill finer into the material. It's more to keep the material straight and remove a lot of the vibration that will happen as we mill on the 4th axis.
So I hope after watching this video you've got a relatively good understanding of the basic function and usability of our 4-axis CNC machine.